the last video, we got new kitchen countertops. We removed 3 layers of wallpaper, including on the ceiling, and a layer of painted metal tiles. It was a lot of work and took 2 years off and on of working on it, but it's finally demoed. And this is what the space looks like now. To see the full ugly kitchen tour, I'll link the video up above in the cards and in the description box below.
It looks so silky. Hey Mama, do you think you could? Yeah, that's what I need you to do.
Once all the walls were clear and I bleached and scrubbed everything, I locked everything in with an oil-based primer. I used the same primer in a spray paint can for the really crumbly parts of the wall, and that was a really neat hack recommended by our friend Tim, who did our countertops. Smooth walls, cracked walls.
I don't like this rocking. I always have it like almost perfect, and then I do one more pass, and then it's like, oh, what'd I do?
But you can't have it be too smooth because the rest of the walls are not smooth.
Oh. I'm more doing art right now than I am
Sculpting a corner.
Really, this is like not the right way to do it, guys. So don't put it in the comments. I gotta want to know. I'm not gonna do it that way. Whatever the right way is. Here we go.
As you could see in the last few clips of us mudding the walls, we didn't get it perfect, and that's 100% okay with me. We do plan on doing a complete renovation of the kitchen in a few years, so it didn't seem worth it to spend a lot of time, energy, and money on perfecting these walls now, when we would just need to tear them out in a few years. But the walls right now are so much cleaner, so much brighter. I'm so excited, especially since this is the room where we prepare our food. So next up, I am painting the ceiling, and I'm doing 2 coats of a bright flat white. So now that our countertop and sink are in place and all of the plumbing is glued, it wasn't glued for 2 years, I can caulk the sink, which is pretty satisfying. So next up is my really exciting lighting find, which will complete our ceiling makeover. So I got this medallion off of Facebook Marketplace for $5. It was actually in a house right next door to my daughter's school, so that was super convenient. But these medallions, brand new, are $50 or more, depending on the size. Next up was another amazing Facebook Marketplace score. I got this chandelier for free. It was a 20-minute drive each way. When I got home, I had Rob check it to make sure that it works, which it does, which is very exciting.
So this gonna be for our kitchen. You can see it has a lot of old wiring and candles, just like this one. That's the same thing. Today we're gonna be cleaning it. So I'm gonna show you guys how dirty it is. See? Oh, that's really dirty. Mama, look, it's so dirty. And let's get started. I'm really good at making it go back and forth in the perfect amount. Mama, can you show us the wipe? Oh,
You see this?
wipes. Yeah.
Wiping some of the spray paint off with Goo Gone.
Part of what made this kitchen so dark was this nasty, tiny light fixture that didn't illuminate the whole room. Glad to see it gone.
Hold that.
You look like a Statue of Liberty.
Kids are so handy.
I need a book.
A book. I need a book. She rolls with it.
Crowned the Statue of Liberty.
Tape the thing to the ceiling.
Look at it. Do you like it?
Fancy.
Very fancy.
And bright.
I am just so thrilled with how this light fixture came out. It's so much brighter in this space, and it was pretty affordable. The medallion was $5, the chandelier was free, but then we had to spend $30 in light bulbs. Make sure you're subscribed and follow along on Instagram at Our DIYery so you don't miss more behind the scenes footage and the latest kitchen vlogs. What's so funny?
I'm holding a big stick and I'm only this big to a stick. It's so funny.
Tell us what you think about our new ceiling and our new light fixture down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next kitchen vlog and the final kitchen reveal, which is coming soon. Bye!